When we live our life as a human being, when we fulfill our Manushya Dharma, the responsibility of being a human being, then alone are we doing justice to that beautiful birth we have. To be born a human being is a great opportunity, an opportunity for consciousness, for conscious evolution. And this is why we need to make sure that we are living in the way it is meant to be. We are fulfilling our responsibility, doing that which we need to do at the moment we need to do it, in the way we need to do it. As Ammaji so beautifully says, Dharma is doing the right thing for the right person, in the right way at the right time. So much of consciousness and awareness, every moment awareness, mindfulness is required to fulfill this responsibility. Because if we don't live L-I-V-E in the proper manner, it starts to become the opposite, E-V-I-L. Both life as well as the right living enable us to do things as we should. In Sanskrit, we would call it punya. If not, it starts to become the opposite, the reverse, E-V-I-L, that is apunya. And if we have lived our life as we should, L-I-V-E-D, then we can be satisfied that we have evolved from human to humane to divine nature. And if not, L-I-V-E-D, when reversed, becomes D-E-V-I-L. Whether we are going to manifest our divinity or whether we are going to end up as a devil, well, the choice is ours. That responsibility is ours alone. What do you want to be? The divine or the devil? Make your own choice. The time for the choice is right now. Let's do it.